Did you know that *** 95% of Java questions on Stack Overflow never get an upvote? That's not because the code is bad. It's because developers miss the secret sauce that makes answers explode. In the next 10 minutes I'll reveal that sauce and show you how to become the go-to Java guru on the platform. What if I told you the real problem isn't your code at all? It's the question you ask. Most Java devs treat Stack Overflow like a diary, pouring in details no one reads. Let's flip the script. We'll craft questions that act like magnetic headlines, pulling the community's best brains straight to you. Ever spent hours, sometimes days, debugging a "null pointer exception" that you're sure is just a typo? You post a half-baked question, get no answers, and watch your sprint deadline sprint away. You're not alone. 78% of Java engineers admit they've wasted a full workday on a single Stack Overflow post that never got traction. That's lost time, missed promotions, and a growing sense of frustration. What if you could turn every Java post into a traffic magnet? In a moment I'll hand you a 3-part framework: title magnet, code magnet, and community magnet, that the top 1% of Java contributors use to rack up reputation, land job offers, and even influence open source libraries. Stay tuned, because the first piece is a game changer. Lesson 1. The title magnet. A title is your first line of code. If it's sloppy, the compiler, the community, throws it away. Use the formula: error plus framework plus version plus what I expected. Example: null pointer exception in Spring Boot 3.2 while injecting at auto-wired bean. This alone boosts view rate by 3 to 4 times. We'll break down why each token matters, and I'll show a live edit of a low-performing title into a magnetic one. Lesson 2. The code magnet. Netflix's engineering blog says a reproducible minimal example is the single most upvoted factor. We'll take a real-world scenario: Netflix's Hystrix fallback failing under back pressure. Strip it to the core, and embed * executable snippets via stack snippets. You'll see how adding a self-contained Maven POM and a single "Java jar" command turns a vague dump into a crowd pleaser that even senior engineers upvote. Now, the pitfalls you must avoid. Mistake number 1. Posting *, "Here's my code," * without a * clear problem statement. Mistake number 2. Using * stack trace screenshots * instead of copy and paste text. Search engines can't read images. Mistake number 3. Ignoring * Java version. A JDK8 answer is useless for JDK21. Each mistake costs an average of 12 reputation points per post and can delay a release by days. I'll demo a before and after of a question that lost 40 votes due to these errors. Then resurrect it with the right fixes. Let's implement the blueprint. Step 1 * craft the title using our magnet formula. Step 2 * build a reproducible Maven project. Zip it, and attach via stack snippets. Step 3 write a concise problem statement. List exact Java version, and tag correctly, e.g., Java 21 Spring Boot Step 4 * add a self-answered section with a clean solution. I'll walk you through each click, copy-paste, and why the community reacts the way it does. By the end you'll have a ready-to-post template you can reuse for any Java issue. What does all this yield? One developer who applied the blueprint posted a question about **** concurrent modification exception **** in a multi-threaded Kafka consumer. Within 30 minutes the answer hit * plus 85 votes, earned * plus 250 reputation, and caught the eye of a recruiter from Amazon. In the next week he was invited to a senior Java role. That's the power of a well-engineered Stack Overflow presence. Bonus level. Assist for Java. A handful of top contributors now feed their own Stack Overflow drafts into LLMs like Claude or GPT-4. Then fine-tune the output before posting. I'll show you a quick prompt that converts a stack trace into a ready-to-post answer in under 20 seconds. Something 97% of Java devs still ignore. Use it responsibly and you'll stay ahead of the curve. If this blueprint helped you level up, smash that subscribe button. Join the community Discord for live Q&A. And ring the bell so you never miss the next deep dive. Next up, how Netflix optimizes Java GC for billions of requests. See you there.